Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I made a video or made a journal or something else for that matter because of personal circumstances, but now things are going a little bit better, and last week I have found the time to make a junk journal in industrial vintage style, and here's a video to show the journal. The cover is made out of a packaging from cereals, and I covered it with design paper that's I bought on in an Etsy shop online, and I called this journal Follow Your Dreams. And on the spine I colored some cheesecloth. I used some ink, distress ink for that, and then I put it on the spine. And it's a journal with 2 signatures and some envelopes, so it's a little bit of everything. And here I put a little charm, and this says just one life, and some lace for the binding. Well, let's have a look inside. Here I made a side pocket to put things in, and 2 little tags. And here is a side pocket made with some acetate. Here I have put some washi tape, and I tried to leave room for journaling, but it's turned out to be a journal full of ephemera, but also room for writing. So here I put in 2 small notes in a pocket and an old invoice, and I put a lot of those invoices in this journal. I really love those old paper and typography, or how do you call it. Here 2 little tags I put in there. And here is a piece of an old agenda, a page from an old book. Here another old invoice, French invoice. Here I made a side pocket and a picture, and you can journal on the back. Here is, how do you call it, quitantie in Dutch, but quittance or something. I don't know exactly. Here I put, that's an authentic note on ledger paper. Here is some vellum. Here's some room for writing. Here I made a pocket with a piece of ephemera, and on the back it's black paper. And on the back you can journal. So that goes in there. Here room for writing. Here I made a side pocket, and on the pocket another pocket with this beautiful little picture, and it says it's mid-1, and here an old letter. And on the journal you can back. I really love those old documents, so pretty. Here I made a side pocket, and from pages from an old scientific book I made a little envelope, and in it a little tag. So this goes in here like that. Here some room for journaling. Here some ephemera. Here I put a pocket on the top with a little old lady and more ephemera. I believe they are from Tailor-Made Journals, one of her digital kits. And here you can put something under as well. It's the other side of that piece of ephemera. Here another old invoice to journal on the back. And here, oh, this is the pocket. It was on the wrong side. And a picture of a lady that goes in there. Here another page from the book and the agenda, and this is also a piece of an old invoice in Dutch. And here I made a top pocket and also a beautiful old invoice. And then, like I said, I made 3 pockets in the middle to put letters in, or notes, or pictures, whatever you like. There are 3 of them made with industrial design paper. So these are bound here in the back, and the signatures are with elastic. Then the second signature, so here you can see it. I made a side pocket with an old photo and a little tiny key. And here are 2 teeny tiny little tags. Then here there are 2 pieces of ephemera, also an old picture. Here, room for writing. Here I put in an how do you call that? Index card. And here also an old invoice as a page. And here's also a piece, an authentic Dutch bill. Piece of vellum. Here I made a top pocket with a picture and another piece of ephemera, an invoice. And I put some labels here and there. Here is a pocket, and in it I made a teeny tiny little booklet just to write in. So I wanted to create room for writing as well. So it's not only an ephemera journal, but you must be able to use it as a journal. Here I made a pocket with a picture in a frame and another beautiful piece of ephemera, an invoice. Here a picture from a lady photographer, piece of vellum. And here I created a little pocket with 2 tiny tags here, and it opens like this, and here are 2 tags as well, and you just slide it over a page like this. Here another piece of the quittance. I don't know if that's the real word, the correct word. A book page. Here another picture, and you can journal on the back. And this is the last page, and here as well another beautiful French invoice. So lots of room for putting in stuff, and also room for writing. And here as well another pocket, and in it's a tag, and this is embossed with music, notes, and a piece of acetate over it. So that goes like that, and that's the journal. It's my first project since a long time. I was very happy to be able to do a little bit of crafting. I hope you like it too. If you do, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more journals. Have a nice crafting day. Bye bye.